I was making my video and realized how the market around news time started to go sideways. But 4181 is very squeezed and coming underneath. 987 is tightening the bands, which is not a foot anymore. I believe it should be pushed higher. A lot of legs on 377. These legs, they don't want to go down. Also double legs on 233. Divergence on the 144. So I entered here with one contract in this area. I tried on about 3 of these pullbacks, and I was planning to hold it to go to the 50. Even though this long sideways action is kind of heavy for the flag, the pole coming down, this is like a heavy flag for that pole. But 987 is encouraging me, and also 1587 looks like it likes to push through the band, and if 181 can help with pushing underneath. So I'll pause the video. The market came back and I hit my boundary and break even, so it took me out. It wasn't a setup here. I wanted to click, but it wasn't set up, because at that time there was like a push on the MACDs, like a little V down. But then when I saw the continuation and this beautiful head bar on 440, the beautiful head bar, I entered here at the mid band, and I'm still expecting for the market to go higher to at least 50. And actually 76. I'll pause the video. Market is continuing. It broke this resistance here, so I'm expecting to go higher, because 987 after that squeeze pushed to the upside. So they're all on the rail, including 233. 233 is getting a little exhausted here. 377 separated, came back to the rail, but the bands are still up. And 1597 is on the rail. 4181 squeezing underneath. I'm expecting for them to come to the 50. The market came back to the area right before the 50, and it's almost touching that area, unless I hit the pivots measured from wrong bar. But from the very top it's not 50 yet. If we go from the pullback bar, then we did touch the 50. So it's slowly going up. 1597 is on the rail, and I can close the trade here. Here with that one contract I had a couple gifts, but this was a 5-point run. It was beautiful. So I'm done for the day. I want to close the computer and post the video. Thank you. Good morning. Today is October 25th. It's Tuesday, and the market is about to open. This I found it as possible support in the 50 area from yesterday. I'll show it to you in a minute. And test of this double bottom, I put my limit order here at the bottom. One was filled, and they were actually 2 ticks apart. 1 tick apart, and the other one didn't get filled. I'm expecting for us, of course, to go and test this high, because they were pushing for this high yesterday all day long. Obviously they won it, and they will definitely do at least double top. So the market just opened. Let's see. You plot some retracements here. I don't know if I like this lonely bar. I'm gonna go from the head. They already did a 23. Then they came down. Another 23. Okay, the second order was filled. They're testing this little triple bottom here. Okay, they pushed through. And this is the still the Keltner channel. I still see a bull flag here on 144, foot on 233, another foot on 377, 610 actually, and 987 pulled it down a little bit. Let's see here. Okay, I can try to pull out an extension. '61 is there. This is 61 actually. Let's see now. Split the targets. There's a beautiful bull flag and separation on 610. So pretty soon there will be a nice bounce to the upside. But let's wait for this extension area to be hit over here. It's a nice head. I was measuring the 100 from the pullback bar and then from the top. They broke below the 100 and also trying to look at the retracement from yesterday. This was like between 50 and 60 area. It's not a perfect 50 on the large time frame. 440. It's like they poke underneath 50. So here I entered with 2 contracts, and on the pullback bar I added 2 more. This drop was fast, and I expected for that that the bounce could be also fast. 440s on the rail. 440s on the rail straight, so they're going to come at least to the mid-band. 610 has grabbed the rail. It's 3 MACDs. Now let's measure the retracements. We don't need the extensions anymore. Come from the very top. There's not even a 23. So I expect to see that you're gonna go at least to the 23 and most likely to this 50 area. My boundary is larger because of adding 2 contracts over here. I'm gonna reduce the boundary because it shouldn't go against me anymore with this nice profit. We came to 23. Everything is on the rail. 233 is still on the rail. 377 is strong. 610. Little resistance on 987. The pole on 1597 needed a flag. Separation on 4181 means we can go sideways, or then to the upside possibly. I'll pause the video. I'm still holding the contracts. I was waiting for this mid-band confirmation that it's going to break higher, and so far the 987 grabbed the rail. 1587 is continuing to finish the bear flag. Zero support and squeeze on 4181, which looks beautiful. And they're approaching the 38 retracement. So I'm almost done. Okay, the bars are kind of fast, and this is my profit for today. I think that they will go a little sideways and then go up to the 50 because they haven't touched the 38 yet. But the bars are volatile. It takes about 3 points up and down on the sideways moves, and I'm done for the day. Thank you, Divine.